A couple of weeks ago, I said I was going to give away a mystery box, and as of yesterday, all of the comments are entered, and so today I'm going to use this random comment picker to pick a comment from that video, and when that person wins, they need to contact me on Instagram and send me a message with a shipping address, and I'm going to pay all the shipping costs, and I'm going to get it to them. So let's go ahead and put the link for that video right here. I haven't done this before, so we'll see how this works. And pretty much any of the comments are going to work. I didn't have any rules on how much you had to bid or anything like that. So let's go. $132 comments. Let's pick a winner. And it is user KF1MN9KI9Z. You are the winner. If you will send me a note on Instagram and tell me where I'm supposed to ship this, I will get you out a mystery box. So congratulations to you. Seriously, everybody, thank you so much for the support that you give Melody and I. It means the world to us. So I'm going to have some more giveaways coming up pretty soon. And when I do, I'm hoping to have some really good stuff in there. So thank you, everybody who participated. Congratulate this person. And I'll see you real soon on the next one. Bye.